Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you annoyed every time you find a helpful section in a man page, only to have the screen cleared every time you exit? I'll show you how to configure man pages, and by extension, the less command, to leave your output on the screen when you exit. Let's jump right in. So here's what you may be used to. You open a man page, find the reference that you need, then when you exit, all the information is gone. The solution is to export the variable less with the option -x. And now, if we go back into our man page, then exit, the area we were looking at stays on the screen. But there's an issue with this method. If I open another bash session, this setting doesn't stick. This is because that variable is only defined in that first bash session. Not the second one. So if you want this variable to be defined every time you launch a new shell, you need to add it to your .bash rc file in your home directory. Now every new shell will have this variable defined. If you want an existing shell to reread the entire contents of your .bash rc file, use the source command. A few important words on the less command. The variable we set directly configures our less command, not the man pages themselves. It just so happens that man pages use the less command as its default pager. So our fix is applying to the less command itself. Future Ray here. While editing this video, I discovered a bug with my fix. If we get output that uses ASCII escape codes for coloring output, i.e. get commands, we get this mess. To fix that, we need to add the tag R, uppercase, to our less variable. And now we are all set. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.